In this step, we're going to install our tub valves. Make sure that you have the right valves and make sure there's a gasket right here. This rubber gasket has to be here. This is what creates the tight seal with this part, and it prevents any drip or leak. So to do this, you simply need to line it up first. So for example, I want my valve to be facing this as the final result. So I'm going to start it facing the opposite way. So I'm going to push it in slightly, and I'm going to start turning until the threads get caught, and I'm going to keep going. Now you do not want to over tighten this. So see, it's already a little bit tight, and I'm going to gently push it a little bit. Okay, and this one's perfectly fine. The top one you want facing a little bit higher. Okay, now let's do the bottom one. So same thing here. I want them to face this way as a final result. Okay, so I noticed that this was cross-threading immediately, so I stopped myself, and I'm going to reposition myself to have a better angle. So you want to avoid any cross-threading. See, I'm using one finger. It should be this easy. Okay, so it's already getting a little tight. So if you feel like, because the worst thing you can do is over tighten it. So as I'm going to tightness, like if you feel like you need to stop, undo, you can do that. But again, see how I'm pushing it? Very gently down, okay? You do not want to make this a fast motion. You do not want to put a lot of force here, okay? So I think for right now, this is good enough. But as I line this up with our chiller, we may want to adjust it slightly, and we will do that next.